Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to fix your controller if it is not working in How to Fish on PC. These methods can help if you are using an Xbox, PlayStation, Nintendo Switch, or generic controller. Let's get started. Solution 1. First, open Steam. Open your library. Locate How to Fish. Right-click How to Fish and select Properties. Now click on Controller on the left side. Look for Override for How to Fish. Open the drop-down menu and select Enable Steam Input. Now close the Properties window. Launch How to Fish and check if your controller works. If it still does not work, open the Override for How to Fish drop-down menu again. This time, select Disable Steam Input. Close the window, launch the game again, and check if your controller is now detected. Some controllers work better with Steam Input enabled, while others may work better with Steam Input disabled. Solution 2. Configure your controller in Steam. Open Steam. Click on Steam in the upper left corner. Select Settings. Now click on Controller. Click on Show Advanced Settings. Look for External Gamepad Settings. Only change the settings for the type of controller you are using. If you are using an Xbox controller, find Steam Input for Xbox controllers. Enable this option. Now launch How to Fish and test your controller. If it still does not work, go back to the same setting and disable Steam Input for Xbox controllers. Launch the game again and test the controller. If you are using a PlayStation controller, find PlayStation controller support. Set it to Not Enabled. Launch the game and test your controller. If that does not work, go back to PlayStation controller support. This time, select Enable in Games without support. Launch How to Fish again and check if your controller works. If you are using a Nintendo Switch controller or a generic controller, find the corresponding controller option in Steam and try enabling or disabling Steam Input for that controller. After changing the setting, launch How to Fish and test your controller again. Solution 3. Install the Xbox Extended Feature Support driver. If you are using an Xbox controller and it is still not working, look for the option called Xbox Extended Feature Support driver. Click on the option to install the driver. If Windows asks for permission, click Yes. Wait for the driver to finish installing. Once the installation is complete, restart your PC. After your computer restarts, open Steam. Launch How to Fish and check if your controller is now working correctly. And that's it. One of these solutions should help fix your controller if it is not working in How to Fish on PC. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more How to Fish tutorials, controller fixes, and PC gaming guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.